Okay, so example 1, we need to find the median and the mode, but first we need to put the numbers in order from least to greatest. So we start with 7. Oops. I don't want the highlighter. We start with 7, then 8, then 11. There's 2 of them. 12, 2 13s, a 16, and a 19. Okay, so now they're in order. So the median means the number in the middle, okay? So let's count how many numbers are in this data set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9. Since it's an odd number, there will be just one number in the middle. So if I choose 12, there's 4 numbers on this side, and there's 4 numbers on that side. So 12 is directly in the middle. So the median is 12. Now the mode is the number that is used the most. And if you look at this data set, 11 is used 2 times, and 13 is used 2 times. So we have 2 modes, okay? So the median is 12, the modes are 11 and 13. That's it for example 1. Example 2, I've already put the numbers in order from least to greatest. Make sure I did it right. 6, 7, 10, 10, 15, 17, 19, and 20. Okay, so let's find our median, which means the number in the middle. Let's count how many numbers are in our data set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Since there are 8, it's even. That means there's going to be 2 numbers in the middle. Okay, so there's 3 on this side, and there's 3 on that side. So 10 and 15 are in the middle. So how do I find the median? I need to add 10 and 15 together, which is 25. And then I cut that in half. So 25 divided by 2 will be 12 and a half. So the median is 12.5. On the exit ticket, make it a decimal. Okay? Type 12.5, no spaces. All right? Now, what's the mode? The number that is used the most. For this one, it's just 10. I've got 2 10s. No other number repeats, so the mode is 10. The median is 12.5. So those are the different examples of how you can find the median and the mode. You're going to do your exit ticket now. There is no redo for this skill, so take your time. And that's it.